I'm Bukid Boys, so we're gonna go to the farm. Let's go and like and subscribe to my channel, and of course press that notification bell or the bell button so you cannot miss another video of me. Let's go, guys! Goodbye! Let's go! Oh, dyan!
Tamang ganyan naka-open. Ganito mo anong nagtanong.
Yes! Yes! And si Tita. So we're gonna go walking up to that mountain over there. Let's get our laser gun. Boo, 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 boo.
In the merry-go-round, even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone in that merry-go-round. still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone. See, when I was a kid, I'd be staring at PBS or playing tag at recess. Really no need to de-stress, could get whatever I want with just a simple request. Play in the park with no rest and come home feeling refreshed. Life is a gift and I saw it as a blessing. Whenever I went wrong, we move on and learn a lesson. I never felt the need to take a hit to blow the resin, but now the feeling's gone as if God was just messing. And things have changed now that I'm 17. I start to realize that people aren't evergreen. Start to question how and why we disagree and why we're so mean. I wonder why so few people have had a dream, and I'm wishing that it would just all slow down. I'm just trying to forget all that I know now. That's why I breathe in slow and let the smoke blow out. So pass it.
We are here, guys. Look, the farm over there. We're gonna go there with the river. Let's go. First I will introduce the farm. This is Lola Reddy's farm. But we're gonna go there. And this is the farm. So we're gonna go to that little house over there that's made of wood. So we're gonna go, as you can see, there's the bamboo over there, or there. We're gonna get some laboon. Let's go!
A few moments later.
Quicksand.
Hoy, wag ka nang dumaan dyan ah! Napakagandang mukha. Char!